Welcome to Channel 1, Alliance Business Connect, celebrating 100 business partners and pre-launch of the second chapter of ABC East on 30th October at Park Prime Hotel, Kolkata. Now let's see the whole program of celebration from our channel, and don't forget to subscribe Channel 1
Digital Himalaya Yamuna Ganga Uttara Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Gaye Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He.
Today is an important day in our business platform ABC. We have achieved the figure of 100 members on 2nd October. We have achieved the figure and now we are going to launch second chapter on 31st of October at Park Prime. Further details will...
Good evening, members. Good evening. I, Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter, I will introduce the support committee for the next 10 years. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We will have the following coordinators: Chapter Mentor, Mr. Satish Lakodiali. Business Driver, Mayur Shadi. Joint Treasurer, Kimi Sarda. Chapter Growth Coordinator Gyanvi Daga, Gaurav Mithai, and Atish Mandal. Aditya Kasera.
Good evening, ABC.
Food and Beverages Coordinator Ms. Sangeeta Grediwala and Ms. Priti Mantri. Education Coordinator Mr. Vikram Agarwal and Mr. Chetan Muraka.
Brief detail about all the rules and regulations a member has to follow in ABC 23-24.
Treasurer cum member host. My role is defense quarter ending December 2023. For every 1 1-to-1, 5 points. For 1 referral, 5 points. For 1 business close, 10 points. For 1 visitor, 10 points. For 1 corporate meeting, 50 points. For 1 new member induction, 50 points. For 1 1-to-1 conclave, 100 points. For 1 KYM, 100 points.
Clap, bot, clap.
Good evening,
First, I will request all the members to have a round of applause for the head table. Very good working you have done in last time. And that's why they are all unanimously reappointed for the next 6 months. President, Secretary, Vice President, and of you all, we have reached to 100 members. It's very good. This is only with your support, with your active participation, and with your efforts. Today, our unit has 104 members. And next meeting, we are going to launch the second chapter. Already, we have got about 45 new members in the second chapter. So, my dear friends, 30th we are having the 31st. 30th is our meeting and 31st we are launching the second chapter. Those who want to sponsor, those who want to introduce new members, already there are so many members in the same category in this chapter. So, same category you can introduce now, you can bring as a visitor in the next meeting, or you can contact our president and so that he can put in the next unit, our Alliance Business Connect East 2. And our idea is by March we will also complete third unit. That is the target of our Alliance Business Connect. And friends, the most interesting thing is, once we have 3 or 5 units in Calcutta, every quarterly we are going to have a joint meeting where all the members will be invited. So there we will have a big interaction with all the members. Today, time is short. I wanted to speak a lot of things. Next meeting I will speak. But once again, sincere thanks to each and every member for your wonderful support. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC. This is Atish Makaria from Cars. We have a multi-car service center that is near Science City. We do car repair, service, dent and paint work with.
Good evening, ABC. Myself, Ashish Kumar Sarda. My company name is Balaji Nivesh Private Limited.
Myself, Amit Kumar Dugar, your wealth and prosperity partner. We are
I'm Arup Poddar. I'm associated with General Insurance sector since last 35 years. I've written articles on insurance design, product, event training. I'm sharing the USP of the auditable life policy. इसमें हम लोग किसी भी एज के आदमी की पॉलिसी कर सकते हैं. नॉर्मली लोगों को लगता है कि 65 के ऊपर के आदमी को मेडिक्लेम नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन हम लोग 65 के ऊपर के एज की करते हैं.
I'm Dr. C.S. Banerjee, representing Engineers Healthcare Solutions. We are a pharmaceutical marketing company. We provide strategies to the pharma companies based in India. As well, we have a strong network of global stalwarts in the field of medical sciences.
we are present chemical business. Thank you.
The atmosphere is electrifying, energy vibrant. Likewise, we make your business hit a century by making your website look exotic.
Gaurav Mittal, representing my company IS Steels, basically deal in steel scrap.
I am Jitendra Kumar Bothra from Harmony Global Partner.
From Overseas Guardians, we focus on career counseling and assisting students to make the right decision in regards to pursuing higher education in overseas renowned colleges and universities in
Myself, Advocate KD Singh, and my company name is just KD and Company. We did.
कुछ तो बात है. मैं आपकी वही डिजाइनर किशोरी काबरा. My company name is KK Fashion. We are the Women April.
Having business of dairy products, telecom and authorized services.
Good evening, this is Mayur Shah. The business is electrifying and we are in the business of electricals. We provide you from shocks. And our main customers are also, we are in the business of, we are partners of Anchor Panasonic and Fibros, and also a company from Ireland. So anyone wanting to connect with real estate builders, interior designers and architects can contact me. Thank you.
करता हूँ मैं, हम आपके घर में दवाइयाँ पहुँचाते हैं.
आया त्योहारों का सीजन. घर हो, परिवार हो या व्यापार, त्योहारों का मतलब सिर्फ उपहार ही उपहार. 500 से लेकर आपकी आवश्यकता के अनुसार ड्राई फ्रूट्स, कुकीज, रोस्टेड स्नैक्स वगैरह के हैम्पर्स, बॉक्सेस, ट्रेड्स की है व्यवस्था. एबीसी के सभी मेंबर्स को फ्री होम डिलीवरी का है उपहार.
This is Pratap Surana from Associated Engineers. We are into modular switches, all type of switches. If you are renovating your house, flats or warehouse, please do contact me.
Charan Pahade from Rahul Export and exporting the scarves and fabric from last 20 years.
रवि खेमका, कंपनी का नेम रवि टूर एंड ट्रैवल. लोगों को देश विदेश की यात्रा करवाता हूँ. आपको रोहित है.
We love everything digital. So bring us any product or service, we can market it for you.
मेरे प्यारे एबीसी परिवार, मैं ज्ञानवीर आईजेके सॉल्यूशन से लाया हूँ प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज बेशुमार.
Kush Agarwal, representing my company Shiny Petals in the category of corporate gifting. We provide end-to-end solutions.
भरी हुई इस शुभ संध्या में सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मैं रमेश मुंदड़ा, कस्टमाइज टी शर्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर. 2 रेफरल दिए हैं. धन्यवाद सचिन जी का 45,000 रुपए के लिए, देवेंद्र जी 15,000, स्वीटी 9,800 और एबीसी 4,500. धन्यवाद.
Rita Ganeriwala, I deal in bed linen. Bed sheets are an integral part of your bedroom, and you need to choose them with care and enthusiasm. The right bed sheets can add just the vibe you want. Bed sheets come in variety of designs and fabrics, and there is no denying that a designer bed sheet will help you transform your bedroom into a ravishing and comfortable place. We have some bed sheets designs that will immediately give you a room, a happening look that are definitely away. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Myself.
Good evening, friends. Customized clothes since past 15 years. This is my 6th meeting in ABC. About the categories of business activity done.
I am Siddharth Jaiswal, your friend dealing in mutual fund. My company name is Wealth Management.
We are into this business for more than 20 years and having a client base of more than 2,500 clients across Pan India.
Good evening, ABC. We are midden century maker. Good evening, ABC. Good evening. Yeah. Myself, Vikram Agarwal. My company name is PSF. I am with General Insurance for last 17 years. इसे दुनिया ने ठुकराया, उसे PSF ने अपनाया. Bring any policy, bring any claim. We are here to help you. Our expertise is claim consultancy, and we can do insurance to any person who is surviving. Any person surviving in any conditions. Everything is covered. Or any kind of claim which is rejected by anywhere, please bring your request. We'll settle it down. Thank you. Signing off, Vikram Agarwal.
Everyone, I'm Neeta Das.
Myself Archana Patodia.
आप ज्ञानवीर जी स्लाइड में दिखाइएगा क्योंकि मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ कि मेरी बिजनेस कैटेगरी क्या है, बैच कुछ और हुआ है, तो आज अपने बिजनेस की बात नहीं करता क्योंकि एक ही
बेसिकली एक परफ्यूम कंपनी है जो
My name is Sanskar Kumar and once upon a time in Mumbai, a couple were planning to go on mission Kashmir to have a look at Kashmir की करी और दिल चाहता है कि 3 इडियट की तरह लेह लद्दाख में जाकर चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस पकड़ के मद्रास कैफे जा पहुंचे और सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड हाई कोर्ट में है श्यामल कुमार परी.
I am Alai Kamal Lakhotia. Just came to see how ABC is progressing. Thank you very much. I'm very happy to see all of you progressing. Thank you.
Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, says the designer who messed up with the client project.
Automations, we make your home your way, and for the same, we are making these days automated rides in which आपको दिन से लेकर
With my activity, I attended Chai Pe Charcha.
Good evening everyone, my name is Naveen Bihari. I am into Vastu and Opal products. Do connect me to know more about it.
Hey everyone, I'm Richa Musati. I'm an interior designer. From designs to execution, I do all. My USP studio and 3D design.
Friends, I am Ronak Moore from JB Steels. We deal in iron and steel products.
This is Rajesh Jadodia from Blue Kitchen and Stosa Cucina. We are in the business from last 8 years.
ABC, myself Rakesh Jaspal, owner of Homestay Ganga Bitan.
जब किसी के पास जीएसटी या इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट से चिट्ठी आती है तो उसे सर्दी में भी पसीने आ जाते हैं. इसलिए जब कभी आपके पास भी जीएसटी या इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट से चिट्ठी आए तो आप हमारे पास चले आएँ और गर्मी में भी सर्दी का एहसास करते करते चैन की बंसी हो जाए. धन्यवाद. आपका टैक्स मित्र सी.
गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, आई एम शैलेश गरेवाल and I am into laptop and desktop repairs and maintenance.
Interior design is making the best possible use of available space. Amir Agarwal, MD of my 33-year-old company Innovation.
Good evening to all. मेरा नाम श्याम मंडोरिया है और मेरी कंपनी का नाम है बिंदु ट्रेवल्स.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kamlesh Advani. Thanks to Mr. Pratap Surana for introducing me to such a wonderful audience.
Pratibha Chamaria representing My Next Stitch, fulfilling customizing needs for all the women and out here.
Friends, हर औरत को भाई गहने, हर औरत की खूबसूरती को बढ़ाए गहने, मेरी पहचान बनाए गहने. Myself Kimi Sarda from the house of Arya Jewels. We are exhibiting my product on 17th of October at Ice Skating Ring. Requesting you all to bless me with your presence. Signing off, Kimi.
This is Rana Gupta representing my showroom Rosa Ricano Luxury Bath and Tiles Boutique. We have brands like Koza, Jacquard, Avon.
This is Akshay Agarwal representing my company SSC Credit Private Limited.
ABC family, first of all, heartiest congratulations to all of us for completing century on membership. That we recently concluded Aura Mr. Miss Mrs. India in Goa, where we hosted 101 guests for 4 nights with all meals.
Congratulations for 100 members all up. My name is Jagdeep Shah. My company name is Deep Consultancy. We
are representing my firm Jai Bholinath Textile.
ABC. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and everyone to be the part of this event. Myself Karuna Dujari, Vasu and Astro Vasu consultant from Karyam. अभी एक ग्रुप में मैंने आप लोगों को एक पोस्ट भेजा है. अभी पितृ पक्ष चल रहा है और कल लास्ट डे है. जरूर वो टिप्स फॉलो करिए और वो रेमेडी करिए, बहुत फायदा होगा. टू फॉलो मोर आप सब कोई मुझे इंस्टा में फॉलो करिए. फॉर विजिटर्स माय इंस्टा इज karyam_. थैंक यू. साइनिंग ऑफ करुणा.
नाम शुभेंद्र भैया, কোম্পানির নাম তুলসী পেন্টস প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড. পুজোর সময় এসে গেছে, আপনারা আপনাদের শপের বাড়িতে রঙিন করে তুলতে পারেন তুলসী পেন্টের মাধ্যমে.
ABC. Thank you Mr. Mayur Shah for inviting me in this event. I am Jayashree Raga, trainer, therapist and lecturer of personality development.
This is Partho Bhattacharya, founder of Silicon Systems.
So we are basically a 5-star Tally partner and Microsoft Silver Certified partners. So we implement ERP solutions on Tally, Microsoft, and we are also the certified partners for Google, Amazon, and Azure.
Honorable visitors, अपना देश सफल के जनाई साढ़िया आंतरिक प्रीति और शुभेच्छा और अभिनंदन। मैं आदित्य कसेरा एक LIC जीवन बीमा सलाहकार हूँ।
Good evening, members. I, Rajiv Sikri, Vastu and Function Consultant, who have given talks on TV apart from delivering lectures on my subject. I have been in this field for the last 20 years, having my showroom Function Towers on HSC Post Road.
Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all our visitors. Hope we'll grow 1 to 5 next week for sure. Myself, Sweetie Mantri, your own veg food partner. Anything end-to-end solution for one person to a reception, all done under one roof. And I'm happy to announce that Desi Videsi is now an official food partner of JW Millet, event happening in
Myself, Bridmore Mundra from Telugu Corporate Consulting Private Limited. We are into loans education for like 25 years, catering to all type of corporate, MSME and individuals loan. We are associated with all major nationalized bank, private bank and NBFC. If you want money for the smooth running of your business, want money for the study of your children, want to set up a project, purchase or renovate your home, want money for marriage of your son or daughter, call us. We are just one call away to solve. Now our mentor.
Good evening, friends and visitors. Myself, Satish Lakhutia from Larika Estates Limited. We are real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. We are in the business of affordable housing. Flats and bungalows are available at Calcutta and Guwahati on easy EMI plan. This fortnight I had 5 one-to-ones and 4 referral pass business calls. Thank you.
हम अनुराग तिवारी हैं, तो फर्निशिंग एंड डेकोर का काम करते हैं। सर मनीष चमड़िया, आई एम वर्किंग एज ए सेबी रजिस्टर्ड ऑथराइज्ड पर्सन।
Good name is Sunil Kumar Gupta. Remember Mr. Rakesh Jaiswal called me. The food industry, Spicy Momo is my company.
Good evening, everybody. I am Megha Kedia, category Sports Infrastructure. My company name is Costa Sports. Thanks to Mr. Rakesh Jaiswal, introduced me to NEC.
My name is Anirudh Agarwal. My category is tiles, marbles and granite. And I am introduced in this chapter by Ms. Risha Musatri.
I am Rajat Kabra. My category is water quality management. I have been introduced here by Kishori Kabra. Thank you.
ABC. Myself, Manish Bhanja from KS Findor Consultants. I am in the category of accounts and taxation. I thank Mr. Sabodia for inviting me.
Archimony interior designer and design partner for Interiors. Thank you, Ayush Chudwala for inviting me.
My name is Vikas Kumar Joshi. My category is Balaji Karul. Relatively spaces introduced मुझे अधिक कसरत ने किया. Thank you.
So I am in the category of manufacturing of bell and bar cables, and today I was invited by Mr. Vikram Agarwal.
My name is Narendra Singh Shekhawat, and we are into AC sales and maintenance business. And I would like to thank Richard and Vikram Agarwal for inviting me.
My name is Gaurav Chaudhary. I serve the category of tiffin boxes and breakfast boxes. I am being invited by Mr. Arda.
Hey everybody, my name is Ganesh Agarwal, representing my company Jai Baba Bhutnath Traders, Can Industry Scrap Trading. I would like to thank Richa Musatri for
Ram Kumar, company National Transport.
Udit Sureka from Alliance Royals. Thank you Vikram ji for inviting me.
Abdul Darwan, practicing chartered accountant. Thank you Vikram ji for inviting me.
Myself Sonam Srivastava, and my company name is Era Events Maker. I am an event planner, and thank you Vikram ji for inviting me.
I'm Farvi Jain from Soyam. I'm a product of Budpreneur, a specialized entrepreneurship program for kids undertaken by Kidpreneur coach Jaishi Danga. My specialty is biscuit cake.
Hey everyone, my name is Richa Saraf. My company's name is Miraki. We are into interior styling. We manufacture artifacts and signages. I thank Praveerji Agarwal for Ashmita Dhanuka. I make exotic bath products and scented candles.
Advocate Vivek Paswan. I am representing RK Khandelwal and Company.
My name is Mayank Jujunwala. My company name is Banner Bali.
My company name is Hansal Holidays Travels Private Limited.
कुमार शर्मा है, मैं आदित्य बिरला कैपिटल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस से जुड़ा हूँ।
मुझे इनवाइट के गौरव मित्र जी ने।
My name is Surajit Dev. I have been invited by Mr. Rajiv Shetty, and I provide Make in India services to the major steel plants.
Sharaudi, and my showroom's name is Ritu Phalam. We are wholesalers and retailers of exotic fruits, dried fruits.
मेरा नाम मालती अग्रवाल है। हम लोग कुर्तियों के मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं।
I am Suprata Ghosh from Harmonies Events.
We don't have any additional slot of future presentation in today's meeting, and we are going to close the meeting just within 5 minutes. We would like to inform that our next meeting feature presentation will be by Mr. Rajesh Jajoria and Mr. Ashish Sardis.
अभी आपको बढ़ाना है, अब कैसे बढ़ेगा बिजनेस, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है। बिजनेस आज के मॉडर्न जमाने में एक ही रास्ते से बढ़ता है, दैट इज नेटवर्किंग। कितना ही पैसा हो नहीं हो, बिना पैसे भी बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, बहुत पैसे लगा के भी बिजनेस कर सकते हैं। लेकिन पैसा लगाइए न लगाए, आपको अगर बिजनेस डेवलप करना है, द ओनली वे इज नेटवर्किंग।
Happy 100th membership to you. Centurion chapter 1. Centurion chapter 1. Congratulations and celebration. Congratulations and celebration. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear buddy. Happy birthday to Mawadi. Happy birthday to Mawadi. Happy birthday to Mawadi. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mawadi. बार दिन ये खाए, हर साल दिन ये खाए, बार दिन ये खाए, हर साल दिन ये खाए, छोड़िए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. तुम चले गए हो फिसल गए Happy birthday to you. Happy 100th birthday to you. Happy 100th to you. Happy 100th to you. Happy 100th to you. ABC. Happy 100th to you. सुहाना सुहाना बन जाए हो जाए बदनाम रहने छोड़ो जाने दो यार अपना करेंगे क्या।
आज हम लोगों ने इस चैप्टर में 100 मेंबर कंप्लीट कर लिए और नेक्स्ट जो चैप्टर का अनाउंसमेंट हो गया कि अगले महीने 31 अक्टूबर को हमारा सेकेंड चैप्टर चालू होगा। वो चैप्टर में ऑलरेडी हमारे 60 मेंबर हो चुके हैं एंड इस तरह से हम अपने बिजनेस को और बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं।
आने वाले दिनों में आप लोग का क्या लक्ष्य रहेगा?
आने वाले दिनों में 1 वर्ष के अंदर हम 5 चैप्टर बनाना चाहते हैं और प्रत्येक चैप्टर में 80 से 100 मेंबर रहेंगे। हमारा उद्देश्य है केवल मेंबर्स का बिजनेस बढ़ाना और बहुत ही हम लोग केवल जो हमारी कॉस्ट है वो कॉस्ट प्राइस लेते हैं, कोई एडिशनल या हिडन कॉस्ट नहीं।
कोई नया बिजनेसमैन है जो या इंटरप्रेन्योर जो आप लोग से जुड़ना चाहता है वो कैसे जुड़ेगा?
वो भी किसी मेंबर के थ्रू से, बिना रेफरेंस के आना तो मुश्किल है। किसी मेंबर के थ्रू अगर आए वो भी नए एंटरप्रेन्योर में जुड़ सकता है, ऑटोमेटिकली उसको सबका बिजनेस मिलेगा।
बहुत सारे उभरते हुए कारोबारी है, व्यापारी है, उनके लिए क्या सुझाव देंगे यहाँ से?
नए व्यापारी, उभरते हुए जो नए व्यापारी है उनके लिए तो बहुत बड़ा डिपेंडेंट स्कोप है, क्योंकि आज के दिन जो भी बिजनेस बढ़ता है नेटवर्किंग से बिजनेस मल्टीप्लाई होता है। बिजनेस मेहनत करके आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, मेहनत करता है, काम करता है, बढ़ाता है, और यहाँ पे नेटवर्किंग से बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस कर सकते हैं।
इस मंच से आप क्या संदेश देंगे?
जिनको अपना बिजनेस डबल ट्रिपल 4 टाइम्स करना है वो आए हमारे ज्वाइन करें।
been able to have more than 107 members in the chapter, and we are going to launch the second chapter of the ABC from 30th, 31st of next month, this month. And I am very happy to have new faces coming to and showing energy and join us for this program. Thank you.
कुछ महीना पहले आप लोग इसी होटल में मिले थे और आज फिर मिले हैं, कितना प्रोग्रेस हुआ इस?
तो आप देख सकते हैं 30 से हम लोग 107 पे पहुंच गए। दिस इज आई थिंक एनी नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म यू कैन से दिस इज द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोथ इन एनी नेटवर्किंग। गेटिंग just 4 times of the members itself which was there in 6 months is something unique. It has never happened in any networking business. And with the support of all members and specifically our mentor, we have done it, and I am simply proud of all members of my channel.
एबीसी के अध्यक्ष आपके पास बैठे, आपके पास हैं, इनके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
इनके लिए कहना जितना कहूँगा थोड़ा पड़ेगा, क्योंकि he is the in true sense mentor who has made us feel proud to have him beside us. He has never objected to anything. He was very flexible and he supported us like anything. To get a person, to get a mentor like him is something another advantage to anyone. And I am very happy to have him beside me in growth path of this particular thing.
Thank you, sir.